What's up guys, Simon here, and today I want to show you something. My chicks, I've been a farmer for the last 6 months, and chicken farmer I mean. Other types of farming I've been doing for a while, but I wanted to share with you some challenges that I have today. That's my chicks. They are infected. They have an infection called CRD, which is a respiratory infection. It affects their respiratory system. So this is something I noticed quite late, because they are almost at point of lay, and during this time they make weird noises. So I assumed that these noises are the normal noises, but then after 3-4 days I realized it's serious. And let me just show you in here. This is the sick bay. These are the very sick ones. You can see the eyes are swollen. Some do not see. You can see those ones are very weak, extremely weak over there. You can see. Let me just show you. These ones, like this one here, it's very sick. If you look at the eye, you can see the eye. Very bad, you know. So these ones, you can see they're not even responding. So for the very sick ones, I use syringes. There's eye. Let me show you. This one, this is for the eyes. I put this on their eyes so they can see again, and then I also feed them water with a syringe. Wait, so that I can show you what CRD attack look like in an advanced stage. So I put water on this syringe and then I feed them in their mouth to ensure they drink the medicated water. So when you come to the coop, they've never seen this camera, so it's the camera, you know. Clear, my people. So you can see this what's happening. Like this one up here is now very sick. This one here is sick. You can hear the voices they make, the sounds they make. So what I did, I withdrawn water for around 90 minutes. I want to withdraw water for around 90 minutes so they can stay without water for some time. And then when I put that medicated water, they will all drink, or not. If not all, most of them will drink. Now I prefer this type of drinkers because they don't climb on top. At the same time, even if they do, they can't poop inside the drinking water, so you avoid things like coccidiosis, you know. At the same time, this type of this, you know, the other normal drinkers, when the water is running low, it loses balance and then it pours down on the floor. With this, it doesn't. So what I'm going to do, I'll set this one here because I want to, you see the type of floor I have, because it's deep litter. This litter is just 3 weeks old. I changed it 3 weeks ago. Just 3 weeks old. So changing it every now and then is not easy. And right now I've looked around, I've not seen any. So what I want to do, I want to spray it with disinfectant and water to reduce the dust. And then I'll try and top up where I can so that it's fresh. It reduces ammonia.
Yo, nina kinga na kimya. Okomisi ngai makasi lisusu. Ata mokile komi koloba te, ngai nayebi ozali. Natembe nayo mokolo nyonso ya bomo. Na malembe kasi na bondi mine. Natembe nayo ata molie. Pamba te ozali pole na ngai. Nalukaki libondisi epai ya bato, kasi balobaki nsima bakimaki. yotangaki ngai kotenga te, ofundaki ngai na bolingo. Bolingo na yo ebongwanaka te, bondimi na yo ebebaka te. Ata soki nabungi nzela, yozongisaka ngai. Natembe na yo mokolo nyonso ya bomoi, na malembe kasi na bondimi. Natembe na yo ata molili pamba te, ozali pole na ngai. Nzambe na ngai, yozali kimia ya motema, yozali bomoi na ngai. Ata tango nalobi te, motema na ngai ekumi koloba. Ata tango makasi esili, nkombo na yo etombolaka ngai. Natembe na yo tina suka ya nzela, na mpiko mpe boni. Natembe na yo tata ya bolingo. Natembe na yo bomoi na ngai, ezali litatoli.
Hii miti nilifunga, nataka kuiweka na nails. So guys, that's my wife there doing her type of farming. What do you think about the chicken business, the farming business, for the last experience?
Could be challenging, but I love it because it keeps me busy, engaged, and I'm open to farming.
It's chicken layers, especially something you can wish we do for a long time.
Yeah.
In large scale.
Yeah. We can do it better. We have experience now. We can increase the flocks, and then, of course, improve on the structure and everything.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you her apples. These ones here. We've eaten one, and then we have this, and that's a pixie. This is mango over here. This is orange, and then we have pawpaw and miwa. And then here we have puppies, 8 of them. So you can buy them for a very little amount. Okay, these are Bosco. If you know Bosco, kienyeji. Yeah, so that's Nico, their mother, and 8 puppies, 8 big, beautiful black puppies. Yeah. Okay, acha nikupe kitu kingine. Yeah, so that's it. We are in a very dry season, so that's why you don't have a productive shamba. We don't want to water them. We have a very salty water, which is not so good for the plants. So we use the normal season, rainy season. Now this is the medicine I'm giving the chicks now. I do 2 spoons in this 20 liters jerry can. And then this is the other one that I used to fumigate the place. So I'll see you guys later on.